Welcome to Top Travel 10. If you're planning a trip to one of Europe's most vibrant cities, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 10 must-visit spots in Barcelona, where culture, architecture, and Mediterranean vibes collide. Let's dive right in. Number 10. Park Guell. At number 10, we have Park Guell. This whimsical park, designed by the legendary Antoni Gaudí, is a must-see for any visitor. Stroll through vibrant mosaics, explore the iconic dragon staircase, and enjoy sweeping views of Barcelona from its hilltop location. Perfect for those Instagram moments. Number 9. La Rambla. Coming in at number 9 is the heart of Barcelona's street life, La Rambla. This famous tree-lined avenue is alive with energy, from street performers to vibrant markets. Don't miss a stop at La Boqueria Market, a food lover's paradise where you can sample local delicacies like jamón ibérico and fresh fruit smoothies. Number 8. Casa Batllo. At number 8, another Gaudí masterpiece, Casa Batllo. This building looks like it's straight out of a fantasy, with its wavy facade, bone-like balconies, and colorful tiles. It's one of the best examples of Catalan modernism and offers a glimpse into Gaudí's wild imagination. Number 7. Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. Next up, at number 7, is the Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. At night, this fountain comes to life with spectacular light and water shows set to music. It's free to watch and the perfect way to end a day of sightseeing. Number 6. Gothic Quarter. Step back in time in the Gothic Quarter, our number 6 spot. Wander through its labyrinth of narrow streets, and you'll find hidden squares, centuries-old cathedrals, and plenty of charming cafes. This is the heart of old Barcelona, and a place where history meets modern culture. Number 5. Montjuïc Hill and Castle. Halfway through our list is Montjuïc Hill and Castle, offering some of the best panoramic views of Barcelona. Take a cable car ride up, explore the historic Montjuïc Castle, and enjoy the surrounding parks and gardens. It's the perfect spot for a relaxing afternoon. Number 4. Camp Nou. For sports fans, our number 4 spot is a dream come true. Camp Nou, the home of FC Barcelona. Whether you're a die-hard football fan or just love the atmosphere, a visit to this iconic stadium is a must. Don't forget to check out the FC Barcelona Museum while you're there. Number 3. Barceloneta Beach. What's a visit to Barcelona without some beach time? Barceloneta Beach, at number 3, offers a slice of Mediterranean paradise right in the city. Whether you want to soak up the sun, take a dip in the sea, or enjoy fresh seafood at a beachfront restaurant, this is the place to be. Number 2. La Sagrada Familia. At number 2, we couldn't forget La Sagrada Familia, Barcelona's most famous landmark. This basilica, another of Gaudí's masterpieces, has been under construction for over a century, and when you see it, you'll understand why. From the intricate details of its towering spires to the awe-inspiring interior, this is a sight like no other. Number 1. Bunkers del Carmel. And finally, at number 1, the hidden gem of Bunkers del Carmel. This spot offers one of the best panoramic views of Barcelona, especially at sunset. It's less crowded than the typical tourist spots, and the view is absolutely breathtaking. Bring some snacks, a bottle of wine, and enjoy the magic of the city below. That wraps up our top 10 must-visit places in Barcelona. Have you been to any of these spots? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more travel adventures from Top Travel 10. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.